Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And to get started, you want to pop off the back cover of the phone. There we go. So once you take that off, you will have space for either you have two dedicated spots for SIM cards and one dedicated spot for the SD card. So we'll start with the SD. Simply slide it in, and then SIM card. There we go. And both of them are now in. So let's see if they automatically work. It looks like the SIM card is already working, so let's confirm it. And SD card is working as well, which you can see based on that tiny little icon. When you pull it down, you can see it. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.